Hey dog, I fell in the bathroom an hour ago. I tried to pull myself up. Man, I tried to pull myself up on the sink, on the toilet. I couldn't even get off the floor, dog. I'm still on the floor an hour later, trying to pull myself up on the bed. Like I slid out the bathroom, pulled myself out the bathroom to the bed, trying to pull myself up. I ain't even gonna lie, man, this almost broke me. It's brain surgery and spinal cord surgeries. I can't even lie, man, being stuck on the floor almost broke me. Like my body ain't really, I mean, I always feel pain, but just the fact that I can't get up off the floor at will, like just get up, get on the ground, get up. It's like I'm stuck. I gotta wait till somebody come and pick me up, bruh. It's crazy, bruh. I'm about to just order some food and get the delivery person in to help me get up. That's crazy. Man, cherish life, y'all. Cherish the little things. Cherish y'all mobility skills. All right, y'all. Let me chill.